for a glimpse and the things that you
like. You want some love, me like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. What in trances going on?
gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest, spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
Okay, why are you wearing this underwear today?
It doesn't matter. I don't have clothes on me.
Okay, take my jacket, okay?
Yeah.
Take my jacket.
Yeah,
It's
please.
okay.
Yeah, please.
Take my jacket. Yeah, just
No,
I don't know, just hide a little bit. Okay. I don't know. Okay, let me see what I have. First, I have scissors.
Scissors, really?
You can cut it.
You
okay?
always carry scissors with you.
Just button it up. Okay. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry. Just let's make a set. Okay.
Cut it.
Yeah, let's cut it.
Are you sure you wanna? You already start cutting, correct?
Just turn a little bit.
Alright.
Yeah.
I trust you, darling.
Yeah, it's pink. It's nice for a date. I mean, why not? Yeah, just I don't know. We'll see what will happen. Okay. Okay.
Why it's always happening?
Don't worry. Okay. Good. A little bit hard. Okay. Yeah, just hold your skirt.
I will.
Okay. Okay. Now what?
Maybe we can. I don't
Just
know. Hold it.
okay. It's a little bit too big for you.
If we will.
Okay. Oh, I have this one.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
bring
it
it for
will
good
save
luck.
me.
Okay. It will save us now. Okay. Turn around. Turn around so I can make it a bit smaller for you. Is it your size? It's okay?
Yeah, it's
Yeah? Okay, let me just... Okay, don't worry. It's all gonna be fine. Yeah. Okay, how about now? Turn.
nice.
Okay.
Like a skirt.
Yeah, we can have it a little bit to the side.
But I think the sleeves are too long, no?
Yeah, and you need a belt. Okay. Okay, I don't need to speak right, okay. No problem. Yep. Okay, we can use it as a belt for you. It's okay. Okay, turn around. Yep. This side. Okay. It's fun.
Thanks, I have this
Okay.
on me.
Okay, just. Okay.
I like it.
It looks so nice.
It looks like.
I think you're
Yeah.
ready for a date. Let me just. Wow. So nice.
Can I grab your
my
bag?
bag?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so matching.
So
Let's
cool.
go.
Thank you. Let's go.
Crazy